Hello and welcome back to Weight Loss Innovation Channel. Today, we're venturing into the world of diets and health trends, and our focus is on one that has gained immense popularity, the ketogenic diet. But what makes it so special? Let's dive in and discover the secrets of keto. The ketogenic diet, commonly known as keto, is a diet that emphasizes high fat, moderate protein, and low carbohydrate intake. The magic of keto lies in a metabolic process called ketosis. When your carbohydrate intake is significantly reduced, your body shifts from using glucose as its primary energy source to burning fat. This process leads to the production of molecules called ketones, which the body uses for fuel. In ketosis, the liver plays a pivotal role. It converts fats into ketones, an alternative energy source, especially beneficial for the brain. Ketones are considered a more efficient and cleaner fuel, particularly for your brain, leading to enhanced mental clarity and focus. Keto isn't just about weight loss, it's a pathway to improved overall health. Studies have shown its effectiveness in managing conditions like epilepsy, and it's being explored for its potential in helping with diabetes and even some forms of cancer. What does a typical keto diet include? It's a lot of fatty cuts of meat, leafy greens, and healthy fats like avocados and olive oil. But it's not just about eating bacon and butter, balance is key. It's crucial to avoid sugars and high-carb foods to maintain the state of ketosis. Let's bust some myths. Keto is not an all-fat, no-veggie diet. It's essential to include a balance of adequate fiber and micronutrients from low-carb vegetables and nuts. It's about making smart and healthy choices within the keto framework. If you're starting your keto journey, remember to reduce carbs gradually, stay well hydrated, and prepare for the initial phase, often called the keto flu, as your body adjusts. And as always, we recommend consulting with a healthcare provider before making drastic dietary changes. That's our deep dive into the ketogenic diet. It's more than a diet, it's a lifestyle that could redefine your approach to health and wellness. Interested in trying a customized keto plan? Click the link in the description below for a diet tailored to your needs. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. We love hearing about your health journeys. Thank you for joining us on Weight Loss Innovation Channel. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. See you next time.